Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 16 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are study. In Hindi we call it as Adhyan. So this session is all about study and its various aspects, various talks we do while talking about this matter, that is study. That is, in Hindi we call it as Adhyan. Study, as we know, relating to something about academics, something about studying, something about pursuing education. So here in this session we are going to study few sentences that are commonly used with this aspect. So let us start with the first sentence here. First sentence that comes to my mind is rarely examination. As soon as we start studying, the first thing that comes to the mind is examination. Examination, we often ask, when does her examination begin? That means whatever we have studied, we have to give exam. So first question comes to our mind is, when is the examination going to begin? So sometimes we ask that, when does her examination begin? That means उसकी परीक्षा कब से है. परीक्षा is what? Examination. Begin is starting, so कब से है. So when does her examination begin? उसकी परीक्षा कब से है. When does her examination begin? मैं इस वर्ष BA पास कर लूँगा. I will pass BA this year, or I'll be graduate this year. BA is, Bachelor's of Arts, so that means graduation. So we sometimes comment or sometimes say these kind of sentences that in this year I'm going to complete my bachelor's. That means graduation. I will pass BA this year. That means मैं इस वर्ष BA पास कर लूँगा. I will pass BA this year, or I'll be graduate this year. वर्ष is year, pass is you get through. So this year I will get through bachelor's. I couldn't study anything today. This is a basic reason. We always give that because of the this or that reason. I have not been able to study, so I couldn't study anything today. आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका. I couldn't study anything today. आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका. पढ़ना is study. Anything that means कुछ. Couldn't, that means nahi. Aaj, that means today. So I could not study anything today. That means आज मैं कुछ नहीं पढ़ सका because of this or that reason. So I was not able to study anything. I couldn't study anything today. He failed in BA examinations. That means in his graduation, he has failed. In Hindi we say वह BA परीक्षा is examination. BA परीक्षा में असफल हो गया. असफल is failing. वह BA परीक्षा में असफल हो गया. He failed in the BA examination. So failing is what? Asafal, because of not studying or other reasons. He couldn't get through the exams this time. So वह BA परीक्षा में असफल हो गया. Sometimes we say that question is very easy. I know the answer. When you know the answer, so you say question is very easy. That means प्रश्न बड़ा आसान है. प्रश्न is what? Question. आसान is easy. So we sometimes comment or when we know the answer, we say the question is very easy. That means प्रश्न बड़ा आसान है. Or sometimes when we know the answers, so we say I'll definitely pass or I'll definitely get through. That means I know the answers, I definitely clear the exam, I definitely get through the exam. So definitely in Hindi we call it as zarur. Pass or get through or clearing the exam, that means pass ho jaunga. Future, it's a sentence about the future. So you are saying I will, and in Hindi we say jaunga, and that means in the future. मैं ज़रूर पास हो जाऊंगा. I will definitely pass, or I will definitely get through, or I will definitely clear the exam. When you are sure that you have done it wonderfully well, so you say that I'll definitely get through. That means मैं ज़रूर पास हो जाऊंगा. ज़रूर is definitely. We have completed our studies. When mom says that you can't go out, you have not studied, you say we have completed our studies. That means we have completed our homework. Now we can go out for a picnic or for a tour. We can go because we have completed our studies. That means हमने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर ली है. We have completed our studies. Completed is पूरी करना. पढ़ाई, that means studies. अपनी, that means our. हमने अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी कर ली है. We have completed our studies. उसे कुछ नहीं आता जाता. That means he doesn't know anything. He is good for nothing. He doesn't know anything. उसे कुछ नहीं आता जाता. He doesn't know anything. He is good for nothing. He don't know anything. उसे कुछ नहीं आता जाता. आता जाता is knowing anything. He doesn't know anything. कुछ नहीं, that means anything. So he doesn't know anything, that means उसे कुछ नहीं आता जाता. Sometimes when we don't get the meaning of few sentences or some theorems or any signs or anything, we often ask, what does it mean? Because you have not understood the concept. So you say, what does it mean? That means, इसका अर्थ क्या है? What does it mean? अर्थ is what? Meaning. इसका अर्थ क्या है? What does it mean? वह अच्छी तरह मन लगाकर पढ़ती है. She takes keen interest in her studies. पढ़ना है studying. मन लगाकर, that means taking keen interest. अच्छी तरह, keen interest. मन लगाकर पढ़ती है. So she takes keen interest in her studies. She works wonderfully well. She do hard work. She understands the concepts and she takes keen interest in her studies. वह अच्छी तरह मन लगाकर पढ़ती है. You have passed the examination. That means you have got through the examination. You have cleared the examination. So you say that person, you give the news to that person that you have passed the examination. That means तुम परीक्षा में पास हो गए. Passed is passing. Pariksha, that means examination. So you have passed the examination. तुम परीक्षा में पास हो गए. Why don't you let me read or study? Reading, studying, that is पढ़ना. So why don't you let me read? Why don't you let me study? मुझे पढ़ने क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you let me read? Why don't you let me study? मुझे पढ़ने क्यों नहीं देते? So you are asking, why don't you let me study? Studies पढ़ना क्यों नहीं देते? Why don't you? So common sentence, I know how to speak English. Or now you can say that I know how to speak Hindi. In Hindi we call it as Hindi. You can say मैं हिंदी बोलना जानती हूँ और जानता हूँ. For boy we say जानता, for female we say जानती. So now you can say that मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलना जानती हूँ, and you can say मैं हिंदी बोलना जानती हूँ. I know how to speak English. मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलना जानती हूँ. In English, हिंदी we say it as अंग्रेज़ी. बोलना, that means speaking. How to speak, that means I know the concepts. जानना, that means know. I know how to speak English. मैं अंग्रेज़ी बोलना जानती हूँ. तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? In which college are you? College is what? The institution where we go for higher studies. So you often ask your friend in which college you are. So तुम किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? पढ़ना is studying. Which college? That means किस कॉलेज में पढ़ते हो? May is in. So you sometime inquire that from which institution are you doing your graduation or post graduation. That means higher studies. Where we go for higher studies, the institution is called college. वह अंग्रेज़ी में अच्छा है. He is good at English. You can say he is good at Hindi. वह हिंदी में अच्छा है. Good is अच्छा, English is अंग्रेज़ी. वह अंग्रेज़ी में अच्छा है. He knows how to speak English. He knows the various aspects of language. So he is good at English. वह अंग्रेज़ी में अच्छा है. अच्छा is good. That means he has the knowledge of this particular concept. He is good at English. वह खेलों में होशियार है. होशियार is he knows how to play. He is a good sportsman. Sportsman is those who play games. That means खेल. In Hindi we call it sports as खेल. वह खेलों में बहुत होशियार है. होशियार is good sportsman. खेलों में, खेलना is games and all sports. So वह खेलों में बहुत होशियार है. He is a good sportsman. Your handwriting is not good. तुम्हारी लिखाई अच्छी नहीं है. लिखाई is what? Handwriting. The way our writing is, it's called as handwriting. So sometimes when we look at somebody's writing, we don't find it good. We say your handwriting is not good. That means it is not visible. We can't read it properly. You say that your handwriting is not good. That means तुम्हारी लिखाई अच्छी नहीं है. Not good, अच्छी नहीं है. Handwriting is लिखाई. आपका ध्यान किस ओर है? Why are you looking at? Or why don't you pay attention? आपका ध्यान किस ओर है? Why are you looking at? Why don't you pay attention? Sometimes teachers say to children in the class, students in the class, that why don't you pay attention in your books? Why are you looking here and there? Or where are you looking here and there? You need to pay attention in your books. That means तुम्हारा ध्यान किस ओर है? ध्यान is attention. किस ओर, that means which side. So your attention is where? किस और है? Why don't you pay attention to the things? Your attention is going somewhere else. So आपका ध्यान किस और है? हमारे स्कूल में कल से छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. This is a very happy news for children, for students. Our school will be closed for vacation from tomorrow. That means from tomorrow. That means कल से छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. छुट्टियां is what? Vacations. School, you know that institution where we go for lower education till 12th. So our school will be closed for vacation from tomorrow. हमारे स्कूल में कल से छुट्टियां हो जाएंगी. It's a good news for children, for students, that from tomorrow they are getting the holidays. Holidays is what? Vacations. In Hindi we call it as छुट्टियां. हमारे स्कूल, that means our school. छुट्टियां, that means closed. Our school will be closed for vacation from tomorrow. लड़कों, समय ख़त्म हो चुका है, पर्चे दे दो. When you are giving examination, sometimes teacher says that the time is over, hand over your papers. That means you can submit your paper now. Time is over for the examination. पर्चे is examination on which you are writing about your answers. So hand in your papers. Boys, समय ख़त्म हो चुका है, पर्चे दे दो. That means boys, time is over, hand in your papers. लड़कों, समय ख़त्म हो चुका है. That means time is over, hand in your papers. पर्चे दे दो. So this is a statement usually said at the end of the examination when the time is over. The new timetable will come into force from 1st May. That means from 1st May onwards, new timetable will come into being. नया timetable 1 मई से चालू होगा. चालू होना is starting, coming into force, coming into action. New timetable, that means नया timetable 1 मई, that means 1st May से चालू होगा. That means will come into force. Future event, so चालू होगा. That means a future. होगा is for future. चालू होना is coming into force. 1 मई, that means 1st May. नया timetable, that means new timetable. So new timetable will be put into action from 1st May. That means नया timetable 1 मई से चालू होगा. We are not on speaking terms. That means we don't talk to each other. We don't like talking to each other and we don't talk to each other. हमारी आपस में बोलचाल नहीं है. बोलचाल is speaking. Speaking terms. We are not on speaking terms. हमारी आपस में बोलचाल नहीं है. बोलचाल is what? On speaking terms. On conversation basis. So we are not on conversation basis, on speaking terms. So you have studied about this session in which you have studied about different aspects, different conversations, different things we talk about while studying, while talking about the subject that is study. That means academics or examination or you can say all about studies. We talk these kind of things usually. These are very common sentences we talk while having a conversation about these kind of matter. So that is all for this session by now. That's all for this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.